Hello everyone, my name is Ruby Villegas Montiel. In this video, I will tell you about the activities I do during my weekly routine. Let's start. My daily routine. Normally, I wake up every day at 4 a.m. in the morning. I set my alarm to ensure that I wake up with just enough time to do all my housework before the sun comes up. I get up, turn off the alarm, go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. I go to the kitchen to have a glass of water and put some coffee on the stove. While I drink my coffee, I read a little about the reports that I have to deliver to the office daily, or sometimes I read an interesting article that I find in Semana magazine, which I really like to learn about the reality of our country. When I finish reading, I prepare breakfast for my family. They love arepas with a lot of cheese and chocolate. And sometimes I prepare sandwiches with orange juice or a chocolate drink. At 5:30 a.m., I wake up my husband. His name is Jaime, so he starts his day with a good coffee that keeps him awake and enjoys a nutritious breakfast before going to work. I also wake up my daughter, Naime Isabella. She is 10 years old and must get up early enough to start her activity routine before taking her to school. At 5 a.m., I usually serve breakfast and eat as a family. We talk about the pending things to do and the importance of arriving early in each of our workplace at the school respectively. At 6:30 a.m., I dismiss my husband who is already gone to the work and I ask God to take care of him and protect him always, both him and all his co-workers, where he wants them to be watching over safety and security, the welfare of all citizens of Colombia. Meanwhile, my daughter arranges herself in a appropriate way to attend school. At 5:45 a.m., I start with the housekeeping in general, wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. I like to leave every house clean before leaving for work and before the nanny arrives to help with the care of my other daughter. At 6 a.m., the nanny arrives. I open the door and give her the necessary instruction for that day. She prepares us for lunch and she is always aware of my daughter, who is at home. She is a simple but very loving and dedicated woman. We love for her things because we feel she is part of our family. Okay, at the 10:06 a.m., I take a bath and get up ready to go to the office. I put on my work uniform and check it that the briefcase case has everything needed for the day, such as my laptop, work schedules, pens, cell phone, and the folders with the reports to deliver. At 7 a.m., I open the garage and take up my motorcycle, turn it off and take my daughter to her school. At 10 to 7 a.m., I arrived at my daughter's school, which is very close to the house, and at that time I usually find a few traffic jams, so that mobility flows easily. I give the blessing and ask God to take care of all evil. At 7 a.m., I pick up a work colleague, Andrea, who lives near my daughter's school. We go together for work and we share many points of view related to the pending to be done within the working day. We laugh at any of her jokes. She is very cheerful woman. At 25 past 7 a.m., I arrived at my job. I leave the motorcycle in the parking lot and go off to the office. I work in a larger office as assistant director and control in the defense of the lawyer in charge of family law. At 7:30 a.m., I stand at my desk and leave the report folders in the larger office before he gets to start his daily work. At 11 p.m., I go to lunch. I go on the motorcycle to my house and I also take my partner to his. At 20 past 12 p.m., I arrive at my house and pick up my daughter Alejandra to take her to school. She started in the afternoon. My daughters are in the same school but in different days. I say goodbye to her with a kiss. I give her the blessing and I ask God to protect me always. At 1:45 p.m., I return to the house. I paint the garage door. I enter the motorcycle. I greet the nanny and lunch. At 1 p.m., I take a short nap to reserve my energies to continue my workday. At 1:15 p.m., I check the university tasks on the computer. Write down in the agenda the activities to be carried out according to the times, the days on completion, and the specific course. At 1:30 p.m., I go up to pick up my daughter Isabella at school. At 22:02 p.m., I return with my daughter to the house and I go in to get ready to return to work. At 1:45 p.m., I take a bath again and I manage to go to the office. At 5:02 p.m., I arrive at the office. I don't pick up my partner because her husband takes her in the afternoon to work. At 5:30 p.m., I finish my work day and leave quickly to pick up my other daughter at the school. He arrived at the house and greeted everyone. At 6 p.m., the babysitter said goodbye because she's going home. We review and perform the school tasks of that day. At 7 p.m., my husband arrives as we are all in the family and serve dinner and we all eat together. We tell about our day both at work and at school. At 8 p.m., I take out a bath and put on comfortable clothes to do my homework while my daughters and my husband watch TV in the living room. At 10 p.m. I take my daughters to sleep. We don't bruise or set. We pray for that day of for the others we will say together is a family. At 10:15 p.m. I continue with the activities of the university. Usually I go to sleep at 11:30 p.m. Although, depending on the tasks of the universe of the world reports, I can fall asleep loud. Okay, no more. Bye.